Okay, so now we're gonna do a shirt. This is a men's shirt, again, just for reference. I'm gonna be doing a mixture of men's and ladies' clothes, just so that you can see the difference. So again, you want to have this flat on the surface. Now, this shirt clearly needs ironing, so you'd probably want to iron your shirt first. Now, shirts can be a bit tricky to do, and that it tends to be why people hang them. Okay, so you want to get your first fold over, and then again, you want to fold the arm back like that. Just make sure it's as flat as possible and as neat as possible, because of course, if you had ironed your shirt first, then you would want to try and keep it crease-free. So get it as flat as you can. Again, make sure it's the same on both sides of the collar. And then your arm back like this. Okay. And then, so you want to go half and then again. Now, with a shirt like this, I really wouldn't suggest doing a file fold because you're just going to have to iron it. File folding is great and it actually keeps things quite crease free, but with a shirt, you're not going to want to stuff that into a drawer, I suspect. So with a shirt, either hang it or fold it like this, and that is nice and neat for when you have it on a flat surface. So there's your shirt.